Hi, this is the installation tutorial video for your new door hardware. These are the tools required for the installation. Use the tool provided to depress the small button on the neck and remove the handle. Remove the back plate and the inner assembly. Using the template provided, mark the door either 60 or 70 millimeters from the edge of the door. Also, from the front edge of the door, mark the center line for the latch. The next step is to drill a 54 millimeter hole at the mark on the door. And now drill the 25 millimeter hole in the front edge of the door. Install the latch into the 25 millimeter hole and mark the front edge of the door. Now chisel the front edge of the door for the latch. Insert the latch, ensuring that the bevel is facing the way that the door closes. And next, put in your screws. And now we're going to install the lever set. Place it through the latch, like so. And now it's time for the inner assembly, ensuring that the small button here is facing away from the hinges of the door. You put it on, like so. And now it's time to put in your screws and screw them in with a screwdriver. Slip on the outer back plate and then clip on your handle. Next, we're going to mark where to put the striker plate. So we close the door and we mark in the center of the latch on the door frame. Now we're going to do a vertical line down the center of the frame. We're going to apply our striker plate like so, in the center square, making sure our cross is in the middle, and we're going to trace around the outside of our striker plate like so. Now chisel around the marked line for the striker plate. Now for the final stages of the installation, we're going to fit your striker box into the frame. And with the screws provided, we're going to fit the striker plate. Screwing it in with a screwdriver, like so.